Hi everybody and welcome back to Arts and Crafts. Today we are going to be making weaving turtles in Arts and Crafts. So to make this you need 3 popsicle sticks. They can either be mini popsicle sticks or regular size popsicle sticks. You could use the jumbo ones as well, but I would recommend either the mini or the regular size. You need a green marker, black marker, hot glue, scissors, and yarn. So the very first thing that you'll do is you will color your popsicle sticks green. As you can see, I only did one side of mine because only the top side is going to be my turtle. So instead of doing both, I just did one side. I colored all 3 of them green. And then I glued them together in a star shape. And on one of them, I drew a smiley face, so that could be the turtle's head. After you've done that and your hot glue is dry and your sticks are definitely stuck together, you'll get your yarn and you will tie a knot across the middle of your star. So you'll tie a knot so that the yarn stays on there, and then you'll wrap it around, just wrap it around the middle a few times to kind of cover up the middle. You'll notice I didn't do a perfect job with that because you can see there's still 2 holes. So you want to just kind of like cover the middle, just wrap it around the middle a few times to cover that up. Then you're going to pick which stick you want to start on, and you're going to take the yarn underneath of that stick. And you can go clockwise or counterclockwise, it doesn't matter. But you're gonna start underneath and you're gonna wrap it over that stick and over the next stick. So it'll come under one stick and over 2. And then when you get it across the second one, you go under and over 2. So you're doing it 2 sticks at a time to make this weaving pattern. And then you just, once you get the hang of that, the first couple ones are strange, but after you get the hang of it, you just do it over and over and over and over again until you get to a point where you want to stop. You could go all the way pretty much to the ends if you wanted to. You could just do a few. I don't quite know how many I did, but I did just a few to make my turtle shell. And then when you're done, when you get to the end where you want to be, if you haven't already cut your yarn, if you're using it like from a ball of yarn and you're just pulling it as you go and as you weave, you will cut a little piece off and then you will tie it to whatever string you end on. And then I kind of had like a tail and I just cut the tail off. So that's all that there is to this craft. You don't have to just make turtles. You could make any animal that has a shell. You could just make this pattern and make like a sun catcher. You could make spider webs. I think we did that a long time ago. We did weaving spider webs similar to this. So this is just a technique that you can use for other craft projects, but today we use turtles. But that's all that there is to this. There are make and take kits available for this project, and we'll hope you join us for the next Arts and Crafts. Have a great day.